Okay, I'm on the top of page 32 in your packet, and we're going to be talking about coordinates of the unit circle. Excuse me. So this is the start of our unit circle, so it'll go all the way around. We're going to just deal with this first quadrant. So this would be 30 degrees, then we have a 45 degrees, and then we have a 60 degrees. We know that this would be the full 90. So, and then I know that my radius is 1. So if my radius is 1, here x would be 1, y would be 0. And here my radius of 1, y is 1 and x is 0. So we have a y-intercept and an x-intercept there. Now if I want to find the points here, the points of a 30-degree triangle, going back to our triangles, is going to be the square root of 3 over 2, comma 1/2. Sorry, my pen's going out. Alright, I'm going to move to pink. So the square root of 3 over 2, comma 1/2. And for my 45 degree, it's going to be the square root of 2 over 2, square root of 2 over 2. And for 60 degrees, we have 1/2 and square root of 3 over 2. Now, this is my x-coordinate and this is my y-coordinate. So if I'm talking about my x-coordinate here, that's adjacent to these angles. So the adjacent side is going to be dealing with cosine. So the cosine is going to be our x-coordinate. So cosine is square root of 3 over 2 for 30 degrees, square root of 2 over 2 for 45 degrees, and 1/2 for 60 degrees. So now my value of sine, which is this y value here, because it's opposite of these degrees, is going to be y. So I have 1/2 square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 3 over 2. These were my x-coordinates, which are the value of sine. These are my y-coordinates. Oh, sorry, my x-coordinates, which are the value of cosine, and my y-coordinates, which is the value of sine. Okay, so now let's look at the point of 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is this point right here. We have one full quadrant here. So if this is 90 degrees, that means the sine of 90 degrees, sine is my y-coordinate, and 0 is my x-coordinate. So sine of 90 is going to be 1. Because sine means I want the y, and at 90 degrees, my coordinate is 0, 1. The cosine at 90 is equal to 0. Now, the coordinates at point 0, remember this is like my 0 degrees, and this point is also my 360. So this can be 0 degrees or 360. So that means the sine of 0 degrees is equal to 0, because this is my sine value here, the y value. And then cosine is going to be of 0 degrees is equal to 1. So these are easily mixed up, so we need to make sure we have this down. The sine of 90 degrees is equal to 1, but the sine of 0 degrees is equal to 0. The cosine of 90 degrees is equal to 0, but the cosine of 0 degrees is equal to 1.